UK Young Professional Scheme ballot is opening soon, and thousands of people are asking the same questions. Am I eligible? How do I apply? When will the results be announced? And what happens if I get selected? Instead of searching through multiple websites, in this video I'll answer all of these questions step by step using the official UK government website. So you know exactly how to do before submitting your ballot. Let's get started. First and most important question is, are you actually eligible? To apply for the UK Young Professional Scheme, you must be an Indian citizen, fall within the eligible age range, have a bachelor degree or an equivalent qualification, and you meet financial requirement before you apply. Don't meet even one of these requirements, unfortunately you won't be able to apply for the ballot. So before doing anything else, make sure you satisfy all the eligibility criteria shown on the official website. Now let's talk about the ballot itself. The ballot opens on the dates announced by the UK government and remains open only for a limited time period. During this time, you will need to submit your ballot entry through the official gov.uk website. Application is completely online and you will be asked to provide basic details such as your name, date of birth, passport information and email address. Once you have submitted your entry, you will receive a communication email. After that, all you have to do is wait for the ballot results. Now here's the something many people misunderstanding. Submitting a ballot entry doesn't mean you have received the visa. The ballot is simply the selection process. If you are selected, you will receive an invitation to apply for the actual visa. That's when you will complete the visa application. Submit the required documents, pay the necessary fees, complete your biometrics, and wait for the final visa decision. So don't celebrate just because you have entered the ballot. The real application starts only after you are selected. If you are wondering what this visa actually allows you to do, it's a fantastic opportunity for eligible young professionals to live and work in the UK for up to 2 years. You can work for an employer, switch jobs if needed, and again gain valuable international experience during your stay. Before I end this video, here are 3 important tips. First, always apply only through the official gov.uk website, not any third party websites claiming to guarantee the selection. Second, make sure all the information you submit matches your passport exactly. And finally, keep an eye on your email after the ballot closes, because that's where you will receive your result if you are selected. I hope this video helped you understand the entire process clearly. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your application.